Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. So today we're going to walk through getting this soundbar mounted up on the wall.
Oh yes.
So the trick here is going to be to make a nice finish, which means no wires showing. So we're going to poke through the wall, run the wires up to the television. Subwoofer is Bluetooth. So we'll take the subwoofer, put it on the other end of the room. As always, please consider hitting a thumbs up, subscribing to the channel. I think that's it. Might as well get started. All right, so probably the best place to start would be to clear everything away that it could possibly break. All right, stuff we're gonna need. We're gonna need a tape measure, obviously. This is some Amazon Basics digital optical audio. This is 6 foot. So this will plug in the back of the sound bar, run up. Should be plenty of length to go up and plug into the TV. Need some painter's tape. I'll show you what we do with that. A level. We need, this is a wall plate. Go hole in the wall, put this up. Plate. And then these are some mounting screws. So the first thing I want to do is find the middle of the wall and then the middle of the sound bar. And then when I level everything up, I just line those two up and I know it's centered. TV was already mounted, centered, so that'll be our center line. What I'm also going to use, so I'm not writing all over the walls, is some of this painter's tape. They're about 62 1/4. So what is that, 31 1/8? So what I'm going to do, get some of this painter's tape, get that ready to mark center line. So 31 1/8-ish area right here. I don't want to push it on too hard because I've had this pull up paint. 31 1/8. I can also pull the TV out of the way. What'll happen is we mounted these screws and you can tell that they're raised up a little bit. And we'll mount these on the wall like this. And then these will sit down inside of this. Now I need to get the center of these. So we're going to take these mounting screws out. Make a level line. Okay, we have our level line. And we have our center line, center on the wall. Now, what I want to do is mark both of these mounting holes and the center line, and then line everything up. We're going to mark the holes, punch those out. Then we'll get the center, which was 15 7/8. Put a line here so we can line them up. Now, if all works out well, we should be able to peel this off. Got our center line attached, got our holes marked. Line this up with the center here and then level with the line that we made. Hopefully you can see. What we did was we put a line on the center, put a line on the center of the sound bar, and we just lined everything up. It's hard to see here, but nice straight line, which should show us our holes. So we know exactly where to mount this. So Those of you that have watched the video that I've made building the electric fireplace, much appreciated. All the thumbs up and the views. Got a few new subscribers. I appreciate that. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button, that like button. I also need some help on deciding what the next video will be. A couple options. I need to stain this and redo it because I completely it up, which I didn't make a video, thank God. But if I can get to 1,000 subscribers, I want to do a big project and I need your input on what I do. For that bigger project, I'm thinking either installing heated floors in the bathroom upstairs, which is basically tearing everything out and putting it back in, or putting a shed in the backyard. Ouch! Or something else. Let me know in the comments if you guys have any ideas or preferences. If you watched the video on how I built the fireplace, I'd love some feedback. What kind of stuff have you guys done? What worked, what didn't? See if it's gonna work. Ooh la la. Just gotta do the other side. So let me know in the comments what kind of video you guys would like to see next. Or your general opinion on how things are going around here. Because if I'm fucking things up, I'd really like to know. From somebody that knows what they're talking about. So if anybody has any kind of feedback, I'd say that looks good. All the wires are coming from the ground, which is behind the electric fireplace. I ran everything up. Power box up here already, but I cannot go any higher than that or I'm gonna see you. And I cannot go any lower than that or I'm gonna see you. I want to try to stay right there. Right in the middle. See what that does, eh? Pop that sucker out of there, put this in, run the cable up.